Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with tangled cords and dead devices? Can the 6-foot surge protector power strip from YSC be the game changer you need? This top-rated and best-selling power strip is a total powerhouse, with a whopping 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including a USB-C charging port, that can power up to 12 devices at the same time, giving you the freedom to charge all your devices in one convenient place. You can feel the sturdy texture of the power strip in your hands, and hear the satisfying click of the outlets as you plug in your devices, knowing they are protected from surges and spikes. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its reliability and performance, and with its ETL certificates and 30-day return and 12-month warranty, you can have confidence in your purchase. Imagine being able to charge your phone, laptop, and tablet all at the same time, without having to sacrifice one device for another. The result is a clutter-free and organized workspace that makes your life easier. The 6-foot surge protector power strip from YSHU is perfect for home offices, kitchens, or any room where you need to charge multiple devices, and its long cord gives you the flexibility to place it wherever you need it. With its sleek design and compact size, it won't take up too much space, and the USB ports are spaced out perfectly, so you can charge your devices without them feeling cramped. In real life, this power strip can be a total lifesaver whether you're working from home or just need to keep your devices charged on the go. And the best part is it's so easy to use, just plug it in and you're good to go. So why settle for a flimsy power strip that can't keep up with your devices when you can have a high-quality one that will last? Get the 6-foot surge protector power if this helped hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.